I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Fallout New Vegas on Windows 11 Easy method. Open Steam or GOG and install the base game, then download the community patch and compatibility tweaks. Update your GPU drivers, install required runtimes, and run the launcher as administrator. Disable overlays, set compatibility mode, and apply the patch. Finally, test the game for crashes and audio issues, then adjust settings until performance is smooth and consistent. In this section, we explain which patches to use and why they matter for stability and compatibility. Start with the community patch to resolve Quest bugs and performance problems, then add NVSE for extended scripting support. Only install mods and language packs that match your exact game version to avoid conflicts. Follow the patch instructions precisely, install files into the main game folder, and verify integrity before launching to reduce runtime errors and save corruption. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides and fixes. Quick recommendation: I noticed a practical read nearby, Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money, titled The Simple Path to Wealth, and it pairs oddly well with planning your gaming budget. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Here we explain practical compatibility tweaks to make the game run reliably on Windows 11. Set the executable to run as administrator and try Windows 7 compatibility if you see crashes. Disable Steam overlay, Discord overlay, and any recording software to prevent conflicts. Adjust in-game graphics by lowering shaders and shadows if you experience stuttering. Test after each change to identify which tweak resolves the issue, and keep a notes file for future troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.